Be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. Today we make a change from airplanes and helicopters to F1 cars. So sit tight, hold on, and off we go. Let's see what's inside the box. So here today for review we have the McLaren Honda MP4-4 by Tamiya. This is a 1x20th scale model kit. This replicates the Ayrton Senna car, and it's absolutely lovely. Let's see. Opening the box, we are greeted with two plastic bags that contain the screws. This one have pretty much all the bodywork, the shell, the floor, radiators, seat, engine here, and the steering wheel, and they look great. They look absolutely fantastic, as Tamiya would be. There's a little bit of flash on here, but neglectable. It's not a huge amount. Some injector pin marks here that needs to be filled, but neglectable things for the car that it is, but looks absolutely stunning. All the little details. Engine is fairly detailed as well for this scale, so yeah, it looks good at least. We have a little bit of clear parts as well for the front of the cockpit, and then we have another bag where we have the remaining. We have the body shell with the front wing, the assemblies for the rear wing, radiators again, all these assembles, and then we have suspension arms, disc brakes, the wheel hubs, and they look absolutely fantastic. Again, there's a little bit of flash here and there, but nothing too much. Fairly good. I can anticipate a fairly enjoyable build on this one. The little springs on there, as you guys can see, are fairly well detailed. The brake discs as well, and as you can see, there's a tiny bit of flash on there, barely visible on the camera, but really good. So bodywork, there's some marks on here that need to be sanded. There's a little bit of scratches here that need to be sanded, but nothing too much. So I can't anticipate a very big task ahead of us for this one. We have a bag with all the wheels, and they have tiny screws on it, so I'm assuming this is to attach the wheels into it. I'm not going to open because I don't want to lose the screws, but you guys can see they are rubber. They have the central ridge on here, so that needs to be sanded and deleted, and we should be good. We have the decals instructions, not many. We have the instructions good old Tamiya style. There's not much to overcomplicate. Fairly simple to follow, fairly easy to do, and this build can be completed in 15 lovely steps. And we should have, well, 17. I lost these ones, and this will take you to the full build. It's a lovely build. See, you can see all the detail on the engine here and all the things. So from what I've seen so far online, it's a lovely build, and it's one of my idols on F1, Ayrton Senna. He was one heck of a driver, so I know that you guys might disagree, but we'll see how it goes. So the decals provided by Tamiya are these ones, okay? Although these ones don't replicate the truth about the MP4 of the time. As you know, we had like cigarette advertisements on that. So then we have the tires stickers as well, on the decals for the tires. Although I have been a naughty boy and I have bought these ones. Okay. These ones are the complete set with the brand that we know. We have Prost and Senna decals, so you can do whatever you want. And then more tire decals, the numbers, and yeah, looks absolutely amazing. And I'm looking forward to build this one as I have these decals. All in all, again, a fantastic model, fantastic kit as you can expect from Tamiya. Very well engineered, very well designed, and I believe it will be a blast to build. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. If you didn't, please let me know why so I can improve on my next content. So, without further ado, thank you ever so much for being there and see you guys around.